Gimana?
Gusto ko nang bumitaw. Char. Na?
May extra ka ba dyan?
Bakit po?
Pambayad lang sana ng kuryente. Baka mapuputulan na naman tayo ngayon.
Sige na, wait lang. Ito lang meron sa akin yun.
Wala na. Ako, yun naman.
Okay lang ma. Bayaran mo lang.
Salamat.
Go easy on me, baby. I'm still a child. Didn't get the chance to feel the world around me. I had no time to choose what I chose to do. So go easy on me, on me. Uy guys, yung research paper natin bukas na daw i-defend.
Ay, oo.
Oo ma,
Wait lang.
Kailan ulit?
bukas na.
Uy, Ron!
Dali lang ako alam nyo.
Ay, wait lang. Promise, matatapos lang to, matatapos lang. Wait lang.
Uy, nabigatan na ito yo.
Chill lang, Sandra. Madami pa ng time.
Anong chill?
Matatapos na kami, girl. Wait lang. Matapos na.
Bahala kayo dyan. Oh, Sandra, kamusta yung research paper niyo? Tapos na ba? Ma'am, hindi ko alam. Hindi nakikipag-cooperate yung mga kubo. Oh, bukas na yan ah. Dapat tapos na yan ngayon ah. Opo, ma'am. Gagawa na lang po namin.
Miss Sandra, Miss Lea. Hey? I called you here just today about the scholarship application. Cassandra, right? I can accept your application for the late submissions.
Ma'am, but why? I know I deserve this. I'm working late because I'm a sinner.
I'm sorry, but I need someone who's really submitting all their tasks in perfect time. I can't always accept the late ones. So, I am passing your application to Miss Leia.
Don't worry, Ma. I will put you in there.
I'm really sorry, Miss Sandra, but this is not for you. I hope there's other better opportunities for you today.
It's not, I understand.
Thank you.
Ay lang yan. Mag-waitress ka na lang kaya.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, we'll sail the world to find you.
If you ever find yourself lost in the middle of the sea, we'll be here to guide you.
I can find trouble on burning doors.
You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. That's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh. I can stay the night days if that's what you want. Be you know, I can fake as well. I can force love. I dance a favor, that's what you want. If you know, I know I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. But I'm only human, and I bleed when I fall down. I'm only human, and I crash and I break down. Words in my head, lies in my heart. You pull me up and then I fall apart. But I'm only human. Kailangan ko magsumikap para mabigyan ko ng magandang kinabukasan si Sandra. Cause I surrender everything to feel a chance again. I reach to you, and you can feel it too. We make it through 1,000 dreams I still believe. I make it live all to you. I know to rise and never let go. I surrender.
Nyamot tun dayto yung ngabiyag. Pwede na karigrigan. On pa'y mailaklakan na dayto eh. Pabigal ka lang. Tuloy mo na yung lana mo. Magpakamatay ka na. Tama na! Tama na!
Come in. Oh, Miss Sandra, you're here. We've been expecting you. Come here. Sit down. So, how was your day?
I think it's okay, ma'am. So, as a council here in our university, strictly minomonitor namin ang aming mga students. So, how's your day? Kamusta ang studies mo? Are your grades good?
Kamusta ka na ba? Balita namin na hirapan ka na sa studies mo. May work ka palang ginagawa.
Oo nga po eh. Nakuha na din yung scholarship ko sa akin kasi may work ako. Okay, so ngayon at na-open up mo na ang scholarship mo, yung scholarship naman yun ay alam naman natin na mapupunta sa deserving. I'm not saying na hindi mo deserve kasi alam mo sa buhay, anak, hindi lahat ng gusto mo makakuha mo. Pero huwag kang mag-alala. Ang buhay ay hindi karera.
don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. So don't you worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Kaya mo yan!
Tasan, boss!
Bossy!
Kasama buhay ko ba?
I'm not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken hearts. I've learned to be ashamed of all our scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. When the sharpest words will knock me down, I'm gonna stand in front, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me, the darkest year I come, and I'm marching on to be a drum. I'm not scared to be seen, I make no apologies. This is this is me.
I'm really sorry, Lisa, but this is not for you. I hope there's other better opportunities for you today.
Ayoko magsumikap para mabigyan ko ng ano. Kinabukas na si Sandra.
Ay lang yan. Wait, rest ka na lang kuya.
May extra ka ba dyan? Bakit ako? Bayad lang sa kuryente. Mabigat ka lang. Tuloy mo na yung plano mo.